So now, of course, for each of these, we can create a Scrapy request. Instead of just printing the URL, we can create a Scrapy request. And obviously with this request, instead of a product list, we are going to do a product. I need to be on this page. We're going to do this instead. Oh, here's the output. You can check that. So we're going to call for a product instead. And this is going to return the product data schema here, which is all of these points that it's going to try and fill in for us. And we'll see that come through in just a second. So let's go ahead and create that, that function here. So instead of printing these, we're going to yield, and we're going to do another scrapy.Request. And the URL is going to be equal to the item URL, which is what we just printed out, which we could see. And now we want to add in our meta again. And this is going to be our Zyte API auto map. And within this, we want product list. So product, sorry. True, like so. Save this. And again, we want our callback function. So in here, our callback, and I'm going to create this now, and I'm just going to call this pass item like that. And now I'm going to create this function here. Self, and we on the response. And what we'll do now is instead of printing it, we're going to yield it out, and we'll yield out. I think yield will work because this is going to be a dictionary. We'll double check. We'll do our response.raw API response, and I'll ask for the product key. I think that's the right one. Let me just double check. That should give us the information that we want out here. So again, very straightforward. We are creating one request for this, asking for a product list. Then we're going to utilize that product list here, and we're going to get the URLs, and we're going to create a load of Scrapy requests. And obviously, because Scrapy is going to run asynchronously, we'll see a lot of these come up straight away. So let's go ahead and run this. Clear that up. It might take a little second to get going because obviously every time we do this, we're creating a new set of requests through the API. So it takes a second to warm up. Once it gets going, that time will drastically reduce because, behind the scenes, we're utilizing different sessions and everything like that. So we can see that I'm getting a load of data back. And this is the JSON response. Like it's going through and it's chunking through, and we can see this is a lot of information.